Ignoring a rocking toilet can lead to worsening leaks, subfloor collapse, mold growth, and costly repairs. A rocking toilet usually means the seal between the toilet base and the drain is compromised or the mounting flange is damaged, so start by assessing stability. Gently rock the bowl to locate the point of movement and note if water appears or the floor feels spongy. Turn off the water supply and flush to empty the bowl before any deeper inspection so you avoid spills. Remove the toilet following standard lifting technique, 2 people if it is heavy, and inspect the wax or foam gasket and the plastic or metal flange for cracks, corrosion, or separation. A crushed wax gasket or a broken flange is the most common cause. If the subfloor shows soft spots, dampness, or rot, cut out the damaged area and install a properly sized plywood or oriented strand board patch that matches the joist spans, sealing the new wood with an appropriate moisture barrier before reinstalling the flange. When reinstalling, use a new wax or wax-free gasket and align the flange bolts so the bowl sits level without tension. Hand tighten bolts first and then alternate small increments with a wrench to avoid cracking the porcelain. Finally, test by filling the bowl and checking around the base for leaks. Then monitor the area over the next several days for any sign of moisture or renewed movement. Common mistakes include reusing the old wax or foam gasket, which preserves the leak risk, so always replace the gasket with a fresh seal and consider a wax-free option if future maintenance is likely. Another issue is ignoring subfloor damage. Patching over a soft spot will hide progressive rot, so remove compromised wood and install a structural repair that ties into surrounding joists. A third mistake is over-tightening closet bolts, which can crack the toilet base. Instead, tighten in even small increments and use washers or felt protectors to distribute pressure evenly while checking for level as you go. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can assess and repair unsteady toilets and related structural damage. We also help contractors find jobs through our listings and community forum, where we discuss repair techniques, product choices, and local code considerations.